Hi guys, so we are going to install Java. So let me show you from the beginning how you are going to download it. So at first you need to search Java SE Java SE 8 download. So it will come in this page. So here we can see it is written Java SE 8 archive downloads JDK and later, not earlier, the later one. Click on that. You will be landing in this page. Now what you have to do, you have to go down, you have to come down, and here, so Java AC development kit, that one. Be careful, there are other things as well. So we want the AC development kit. So we have to go here, we have to download this one. This is Windows 64 install, 145 megabyte, and this is the version. Okay, so just click on it. You will be in this page. So basically what we are doing, we are just coming here and we are selecting the latest one. I mean the last one from this list. So this can be differ, like maybe you are watching this video, this is 23, you are watching is 25, maybe this 371 is going to be 400 or 491. It doesn't matter. Just check you are downloading Windows 64 installer and this exe file. You are now click on it. It will pop up in this page. You have to click on I received, then click on here. Is going to take you an Oracle login page. So here you can click on create an account. It will come to create an account. So provide your email address and everything. So I'm just providing all the details. So I have kept some details here. So here you need to remember the email you are writing. Open a notepad or save these things in your mobile phone or whatever it is. Write that your the Oracle account, this is your email address and the password you are using. Don't, I mean, you might need it in future. So I want you all to save the passwords and email address what you are using for, and fill up all the details. Your password must be filled up these conditions, like must have an uppercase and a lowercase and one number and one special character. So special character means hash, star, whatever, at the rate. It can be anything. So those are special characters. So create an account. If you click here, it's gonna create an account for you. So save those passwords in case if you need in future. So email will be sent in your email. So I'm going to verify that. So if you come in your email, if you open your email, you will see like you'll find these kinds of email in your email account, your Oracle account verify email address. So if you click here on this link, your account will be verified. And okay, it's telling you to continue on this page, ready to use. Click on continue. So yeah, it will bring you here, but it doesn't matter. We can close this window, we can go back to this window, just refresh the page. Just go back and go back from the previous page. Actually it is not the same, not this one. Just close it. If you go to the first page again where we have come before, like this AC downloading page, you can come up. If you don't find it, you can come back from the very beginning, no issues. But now the same file, if we click here, is going to download. Here is gonna ask your email address and password, so I'm providing that. Clicking on sign in, it is signing in and now it will be downloaded. So let's wait. Now it has logged in somehow. So let me check. So if you click on this link, it will take you to this URL. Success, your account is ready. Continue, and here you will be landing on this page. Now I'm gonna search same thing, Java SE8 download, and again this letter. So again we are in the same page, the same file we are going to download again. Now again it is giving me this thing. Now click on download JDK. Now it is going to be downloaded. So what I want to save it in the same file, so I'm just saving it here. So it has saved. Now open it. Now you have to say click on yes. So after clicking on yes, it is telling me to press next. So now it is getting installed. Everything is there, we don't have to do any changes. It is getting installed. So now it is telling me if I want to save my JDK here. This is the path where the Java is getting installed. So just press next. I'm not going to do any changes. So we have installed it. If you want to click on next step, it is going to bring you here. We don't need that actually. So what we need to do, open this thing again from the bottom, the installer, just close it. Yeah, so your Java has been installed, so no issues. Now how do you know that Java has been installed? So you have to go to Java, you have to go to search bar in the bottom and write cmd. So command prompt will come. If you open it, now here write down Java space dash version. Okay, check the spelling again if it is correct. So then press, you will see Java version, this part. If you see this, that means your Java has been installed. If you don't see this, that means it is not installed. Yeah, so that's all for installing Java.